Let me go ahead and turn on the A6. This is the Galaxy A6, by the way, as you can see right there. It's going to be $299. LG Q7 is the same price, $299. I think this is coming out to compete with the LG Q7 Plus. And if you tell me which one is better between the LG Q7 Plus or the A6, let's find out. So right here, we have the LG Q7 Plus. Looking at the specs, this is a 5.6-inch display. This is a 5.5-inch display. So already you have a bigger display on the A6. All right, you have a 16-megapixel rear camera on the LG Q7 Plus, and then you have 8 megapixel on the front-facing camera. Guess what? On the A6, you have 16 megapixel rear and have a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. So far, you have a much better display and better cameras on the Galaxy A6. Here's the difference. LG Q7 Plus has 64 gigabytes of RAM. A Galaxy A6 that has 32 gigabytes. And then this is 4 gigabytes of RAM. This is 3 gigabytes of RAM. So you have a better camera here, bigger display, the 18:9 ratio, but you have a better 4 gigabytes of RAM and you have 64 gigabytes of internal memory on the LG Q7 Plus. So that is much better on the LG Q7 Plus. Last but not least, you have a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor on the LG Q7 Plus, while you have only a 1.6 octa-core processor on the Galaxy A6. And if you're looking at the specs right now, there's goods and bads. If you're looking for a better camera, definitely go with the A6. If you're looking about something that has a better playing gaming, the LG Q7 Plus would be better. I'm going to be doing a review hand in hand. I'm going to basically do a speed test on both of these. Okay, I'm going to do the speed test on how fast you can do gaming and how fast you can go from screen to screen, how fast it turns on, it turns off. And I'll compare it to the Q7 Plus and I'll update it. So make sure to subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload that video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.